ಕೈವಾರ ಯೋಗಿ ವಾಹಿನಿಯ ಸಮಸ್ತ ಸಹೃದಯ ವೀಕ್ಷಕರಿಗೆ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಗಳು. ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನ ಹೆಸರಾಂತ ರಾಮಯ್ಯ ಸಮೂಹ ವಿದ್ಯಾಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರು ಹಾಗೂ ಕೈವಾರ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದ ಧರ್ಮಾಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳಾದ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಎಂ.ಆರ್. ಜಯರಾಮ್ರವರಿಗೆ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ವಾಣಿಜ್ಯ ಮತ್ತು ಕೈಗಾರಿಕಾ ಮಹಾಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯು ಪ್ರತಿಷ್ಠಿತ ಸರ್ ಎಂ ವಿಶ್ವೇಶ್ವರಯ್ಯ ಸ್ಮಾರಕ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ನೀಡಿ ಗೌರವಿಸಿದೆ. ವಿಧಾನಸೌಧದ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ವೆಟ್ ಹಾಲ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆದ ಸಮಾರಂಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾರತದ ಉಪರಾಷ್ಟ್ರಪತಿಗಳಾದ ಶ್ರೀ ಎಂ ವೆಂಕಯ್ಯ ನಾಯ್ಡುರವರು ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಪ್ರದಾನ ಮಾಡಿದರು. ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ರಾಜ್ಯಪಾಲರಾದ ಶ್ರೀ ತಾವರ್ಚಂದ್ ಗೆಹ್ಲೋಟ್, ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳಾದ ಶ್ರೀ ಬಸವರಾಜ ಬೊಮ್ಮಾಯಿ, ಸಂಸದರಾದ ಶ್ರೀ ಪಿ.ಸಿ. ಮೋಹನ್, FKCCIನ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾದ ಶ್ರೀ ಪೆರಿಕಲ್ ಎಂ ಸುಂದರ್ ಮುಂತಾದವರು ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತರಿದ್ದರು. ಬನ್ನಿ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿ ಪ್ರದಾನ ಸಮಾರಂಭದ ದೃಶ್ಯಗಳನ್ನು ವೀಕ್ಷಿಸೋಣ.
MS रामैया ग्रुप ऑफ इंस्टीट्यूशंस के चेयरमैन डॉक्टर एम जयराम जी को सर एम विश्वेश्वरैया पुरस्कार से सम्मानित किया जा रहा है. यह पुरस्कार शिक्षा, स्वास्थ्य और उद्योग के क्षेत्र में डॉक्टर M.R. जयराम जी को महत्वपूर्ण योगदान और कई सामाजिक एवं परोपकारी कार्यों के लिए दिया जा रहा है. मैं आदरणीय जयराम जी को बधाई देता हूं और उनके उज्जवल भविष्य की कामना करता हूं. यह सर एम विश्वेश्वरैया जी के प्रति हमारी विनम्र श्रद्धांजलि होगी कि यह पुरस्कार भारत के माननीय उपराष्ट्रपति जी के हाथों प्रदान किया जा रहा है. मैं माननीय भारत के उपराष्ट्रपति जी के प्रति आभार व्यक्त करता हूं, कृतज्ञता व्यक्त करता हूं कि उन्होंने आकर के इस पुरस्कार को देने के लिए हमें आशीर्वाद प्रदान किया. मैं आशा करता हूं कि FKCCI सर एम विश्वेश्वरैया जी के आदर्शों पर चलते हुए राज्य के उद्योग एवं व्यापार की वृद्धि और विकास सुनिश्चित करते हुए कर्नाटक को निवेश के लिए नंबर 1 स्थान पर बनाने में अपना योगदान निरंतर देता रहेगा. इसी आशा और विश्वास के साथ आप सबका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. जय हिंद.
Ladies and gentlemen, please give a huge round of yes. Shawl will be presented by Perikal M. Sundar, the President. Garland by CA Dr. I.S. Prasad, President-elect FKCCI. The turban by Shri B.V. Gopal Reddy, Senior Vice President-elect, along with the office bearers. And the citation will be presented by, and the fruit basket will be presented by Shri M. Venkaiah Naidu, Honorable Vice President of India, in the presence of Honorable Chief Minister and the Honorable Governor. Honorable Governor is presenting the traditional Vishweshwarayyanavara Petha. ಈಗ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ M.R. ಜಯರಾಮ್ ಅವರ ಮೇಲೆ ಮತ್ತಷ್ಟು ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿಯನ್ನು ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಸುತ್ತದೆ ಇದು. And now I would request the Honorable Vice President to kindly give the citation to the award winner. Once again, on behalf of FKCCI, congratulations to Dr. M.R. Jairam, Chairman MS Ramaiya Group of Institutions. ಅಭಿನಂದನೆಗಳು. ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ ಜನಸೇವೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ತೊಡಗಿ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕಕ್ಕೆ, ಕನ್ನಡಿಗರಿಗೆ ಗೌರವವನ್ನು ತನ್ನಿ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
At the outset, I would like to express my most sincere thanks to the Federation of Karnataka Chamber of Commerce and Industry for choosing me to bestow on me this prestigious Sir M. Vishwesvaraya Memorial Award. It is indeed a rare privilege to receive an award in the name of one of the greatest sons of modern India. The award is particularly valuable as it is presented by the Honorable Vice President of India, who is one of the tallest leaders of our country and a respected friend of our institution. Receiving an award in memory of Sri M. Visvesvaraya is both an honor and a responsibility. In all humility, I must submit that the honor of conferred to me today belongs to as much to me as to all those who have worked with me and supported me in all these years. It was our late father, Dr. M.S. Ramaiah, who laid the foundation. Myself and my family have followed the path shown by him. Back in the days when higher education and healthcare was considered to be within the exclusive domain of the government, the vision of the founder of our group was more than validated later when the demand for qualified professionals in the field of engineering and medicine, science and technology increased in the liberalization of the Indian economy and the subsequent process of globalization. Today our group runs over 25 educational institutions and healthcare institutions providing higher education to over 20,000 students and healthcare support to over 3 lakhs patients every year. It is a matter of immense gratitude for us that the alumni of this Ramaiah Medical College and the Ramaiah Institute of Technology are to be found in many parts of the world, making their marks wherever they have gone. Our efforts will continue to expand and the scope of our institution and provide education to the country's youth in new and emerging disciplines. In our group of hospitals, we have treated nearly about 9,000 COVID-19 patients during the last 1 year. At one time, we had more than 75% of our hospital beds devoted to COVID-19 patients, most of them referred to us by the government. With the blessings of Sadguru Yogi Narayana, my Guru, our group service towards the welfare of the people in the rural areas has given me immense peace and happiness. And for this, I bow down to him. I feel indebted to all these villages who have joined hands in our efforts to promote peace, harmony, and inclusiveness. In all humility, I rededicate myself to continue the services to the society, the path shown by my Guru and my late father. The honorable dignitaries on the dais, friends, well-wishers, members of the family assembled here, I am grateful to all of you for your affection. I once again thank the Honorable Vice President of India, the Honorable Governor of Karnataka, the Honorable Chief Minister of Karnataka, and the office bearers of the FKCCI for making this Memorial Day for me and my family. Thank you. Jai Hind.
ಇದೇ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ MS ರಾಮಯ್ಯ ಸಮೂಹ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾದ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ MR ಜಯರಾಮ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಸರ್ ವಿಶ್ವೇಶ್ವರಯ್ಯನವರ ಸ್ಮರಣಾರ್ಥವಾಗಿ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ನೀಡಲು ನನಗೆ ಸಂತೋಷವಾಗಿದೆ. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನನ್ನ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. I feel humbled to be present this award to another great son of this state for his service and the standards he has maintained and maintaining in running the institutions. Today, why this award? Why this function? Is to really remember such great people, recall their great contributions, and also felicitating people with that award is to give inspiration. It is not a reward for Sri Jairam. It's an award in recognition of the services, in honor of a great person. This is an inspiration to the younger generation. Do good things, do great things, achieve excellence. That is the message of this function. And then today, this award is given to Sri MS Jairam because of the service his institutions have contributed to the growth and prosperity of Karnataka. As I told you, I am also happy to give this award in memory of Sri Visvesvaraya, conferring it on Dr. M.R. Jairam, Chairman of MS Ramaya Group. Dr. M.R. Jairam, with his dedication and hard work, discipline, has transformed MS Ramaya Group of institutions into a vibrant educational hub with various institutions. I always say education is a mission, not for commission. And we should not give any remission or do any omission. And we should take it up with passion for the sake of the nation. They are following it. I'm happy that they are focusing more on rural students because the urban-rural divide should be bridged at the earliest. We are moving towards 75th Amrita Mahotsava. We should bridge this urban-rural divide. That should be top on the agenda of everybody. I'm happy that MS Ramaya institutions are doing it. Late MS Ramaya should be a source of tremendous inspiration, having been forced to give up his education due to circumstances. He turned adversity into an opportunity and became a successful entrepreneur. Acutely aware of the importance of education in shaping an individual's life, he established MS Ramaya Institute of Technology in 1962. Thereon, he moved on and developed these institutions. I'm happy these institutions are being run with dedication, with devotion.